Hey guys, Room Picker here for another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Pick Abuser by Mugatu68, and we are doing another promotional entry into the RP Spicey challenge. There are 7 weeks left to enter, so hurry up and get your entries in. You still got a good chance of winning, but there are some pretty funny videos out there if you watch them. So today I'm going to be entering in with this prickly scorpion butt hot sauce. I don't know the Scoville's on here, it doesn't say on here, but it has a blend of Trinidad, Moruga Scorpion, Chocolate 7 Pot Dula, and the Boot Jolokia Ghost Pepper. So we're going to take a shot of that, and we're going to get this lock open today. Real quickly, this is the challenge lock we're picking today. You can see we got an engraved Pick Abuser in here. Pretty big keyway. Not sure what keyway that is, but he made his out of an Avis 8345, and the key's mummified, but he also engraved his symbol on top of the key. So let's go ahead and get this going. That's a decent amount. Alrighty. Mouse on fire. Let's get this in the vise, see if we can get it open. We're going to be using top the keyway with 50 thousandths, and we're going to be using the Z-bar to keep our pick from slipping. SS Deb deep hook, and we'll use our Hillbilly Peterson gem, or sorry, Hillbilly gem. Oop. Oh, I'll just zoom in on this so you guys can see what's going on. There we go. Alrighty. There we go, false set. Deeper false set. Now we're in a real deep false set. Let's see if we can get this last pin. Lost our false set, we got it back. Let's see what's holding this up. Definitely putting up a fight. I know it's right. There we go, got it. Alrighty, zoom out. And let's gut this thing. You can see that we are picked. Let's lock this thing up. Take a look, see what this key has to offer. I'm gonna move this down so we can gut this thing. Here we go. Ooh, now that's some good challenge lock bidding. There you go, look at that. Violates max and everything. Key does work pretty smoothly, actually. Alright, well, let's get this out of here and see what we're working with today. Figured I'd switch it up and use a different pinning tray today. Got my white one out. Get the C-clip off the back. Turn the core. Got holes in the bottom, so we got to be careful. And it looks like we got a detent here as well. So I'm going to push it in and turn this direction. Maybe. Does this not push in? Oh, it pulls out. Interesting. I've never seen one of these before. Wow, now that's interesting. Learn something new every day. All right, so let's get our follower out. Trying to figure out the best way to do this. Sorry. That'll work. I think that'll be the best way. There we go. Okay. All right. So pin 1, standard. 2, got a gin. 3, standard. 4, serrated top. 5 is a torpedo, and 6 is standard. Okay. And we have threading in chamber 1, nothing in 2, nothing in 3, nothing 4, nothing 5, and threading in 6. All right, let's see what our core has to offer. I should have actually shimmed this. I'm lucky I didn't need to. I didn't even think about that. So we have a serrated. And there's a spring in there. Get the spring out. There we go, got it. Chamber 1 is serrated. cool looking, like a this is like a chess piece style pin. We got a drunken spool. Spring. That's coming from the back end here. We have another hourglass almost. Now that is a thin spool. I'm surprised it did not break. And last but not least, we have a serrated. Very good pin work. Get another trap spring. There we go, got it out. Alrighty, and answer the question that people are asking. We got serrated in 1, nothing in 2, nothing in 3, serrated 4, nothing 5, and nothing 6. So let's go ahead and bring the camera over and show you this amazing pins by Mugatu. So you can see we got those very thin spools. We got that chess piece on 2. We got those gin bottles and serrated, and the variation in spring tension. On the core, like we said, we had those serrated chambers, and in the Bible, let's see if you guys can see that. They're serrated there. And you can see that serrated one in the back there. So that is the Pick Abuser Challenge Lock. Thank you so much for giving that to me, Mugatu. Very fun pick. And again, everybody get your entries in for the giveaway. Thanks. Bye.